Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ryan Oakley from weddingphotographygig.com, and this is the complete wedding photography website tutorial. And this is step 5. If you've made it this far, congratulations. This is pretty exciting. You've been able to really make some headway on your website, and so you should be congratulated. We're almost at the end of our tutorial, so I'm super excited to show you what we have remaining. In this this is step 5 here, and in this step I'm going to show you how we are going to create a portfolio gallery out of the images from the galleries that we've already uploaded. So one of the reasons, well, okay, before I jump too far ahead of myself, right now we're in visitors view. We're logged into our site, but we're in visitors view, so go ahead and get into your owner's view here, so you've got all of your options. And what we're going to do is we're going to be creating a new gallery, and we are not going to put it into the client category. We're going to do a different category, and the reason for that is because it's our portfolio gallery and it's going to be separate from these client galleries. So what I'm going to do is go on the top left here and go upload. We're going to go new gallery. Gallery name is going to be portfolio. Under category, I might as well pick weddings. Weddings, might as well. Really doesn't matter, but sure. Weddings, portfolio, subcategory, not going to worry about it. Theme is fine. And now you'll notice we've got a quick settings here because we have defined some settings from the one gallery and saved it as this client gallery settings. You now have that option when you upload photos to set a quick setting, and that's a really handy feature. So I think I'm going to go ahead and choose client gallery, and then I'm going to get some photos in there, and then if I think the portfolio gallery deserves a little bit of a customizing, changing the gallery settings, and I can just go ahead and do that. But I know that most of the settings under client gallery are going to be good, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit save. Now this is a ninja trick here for everybody using Smugmug. Now I could go into Lightroom right now or my photo editing software and go back over my old images and pick out the ones that I think work good in my portfolio, but I'm going to might as well just use the images I've already got selected in Smugmug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this portfolio gallery blank for now. I'm not going to upload any photos, and I'm just going to go straight back into the portfolio. And it says, hey, this gallery needs some photos, which is fine. What I'm going to do is get you to go back to your home site or your home page, and we're going to go through each of our client galleries that we set up, and we're going to choose photos to use in our portfolio gallery. This is going to be fun. So we go to Sarah and Craig, and I'm just going to pick maybe 10 from each. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find some really good ones that I like. I'm going to use this one, and I hover over the big photo and see this big plus mark with the circle. It says collect photos. I'm going to click on that, and it says great, you're going to create a virtual copy in a different gallery. So I'm going to pick the gallery, I'm going to go weddings, portfolio, and then I'm going to click don't display this window as I collect more from this gallery. So it'll remember that I'm trying to collect photos to put into my portfolio gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and say don't display this again. I know what I'm doing. Hit collect photo, and now I'm just going to keep going. I kind of like this one. Got to be pretty picky. And I think I want to make sure I've got good photos of people in my portfolio, because that's what people want to see. People want to see people. Click that one. Anything else from this page? Not sure yet. So I've got 3. I'm gonna do this one because it's fun. 4. And what else do we have? If you haven't noticed, this is me. That's me right there. Didn't take that photo, but this was a shoot that I did. Happened to also play guitar in the wedding. I like this one. What do we have? 4 or 5 maybe? Let's do this one. And I think that's it from this gallery. I'm just going to do a handful from this one. I know I've got a couple of other galleries where where I know I want to use some photos there. So if I go home, you'll notice portfolio now has some pictures in it. So if I click on my portfolio gallery, yeah, there's 6 photos that I've uploaded. So that's good. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into the next gallery, Lisa and Devin. And I'm going to go ahead and choose some from here as well. Any on this page? No, I'm going to leave this one, I think. Actually, I kind of like, I'm going to go back. Go back. I actually like this one, getting makeup on, sure. Collect it. Okay, so it's because I'm in a new gallery, it's going to say, where do you want this? I want this in my portfolio, and select the don't display window. And then, whoops, went too fast. Previous page. I like this one here. And what else do I like? I like this one. I like that one. And yeah, so this is getting this is just personal preference. But go ahead and go into your galleries and start creating your portfolio gallery. And I'm going to fill out mine with various pictures from these different galleries that I've put onto my site. And then when I'm done that, I will stop the video now and come back, and we'll complete our portfolio gallery. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, so I've gone ahead and gone through all 4 of my galleries and picked out what I thought would be some decent ones to show off in my portfolio gallery. Now, I'm sure this is one of the funnest things to do as a photographer, is to find their best work and show it off. Now, there's a lot of things that you could probably think about when creating your portfolio gallery. You definitely want to show some emotion, so show some of your style, and basically just highlight your work and how you do it. So yeah, everyone's is going to be a little bit different. And now, last thing I want to do is show you how to get this portfolio gallery linked into your home page. So we're going to go to the main area here, and we're going to go back to our easy customizer. And if you remember, we want to go into the header, because that's where we've got the navigation bar builder. Click on that. And I want this to be ordered. I want it to be home and then portfolio. So I'm going to hit the plus to create a new thing right there. A new link. Portfolio. And again, it's going to be a gallery this time. So I'm going to just link straight to this portfolio gallery. And boom, I'm going to hit OK, and it shows up right there. Sweet. Publish, and click the OK button. And go back to my home page. And there you go. So now we go visitor view. And we're getting closer. We've now got three of the links up. We just need one more, which is the work with me link. And we need to change, we need to create a slideshow here, which is going to be really easy. And then do some final customization tweaks to the design and the layout. And then we're going to be complete our tutorial and complete your website's going to be complete for now. Yeah, so that's awesome. So on to step 6.